The incoming data since our last monetary policy meeting in July suggests a strong rebound in activity, broadly in line with previous expectations, although the level of activity remains well below the levels prevailing before the coronavirus pandemic. While activity in the manufacturing sector has continued to improve, momentum in the services sector has slowed somewhat recently. The strength of the recovery remains surrounded by significant uncertainty, as it continues to be highly dependent on the future evolution of the pandemic and the success of containment policies. Euro area domestic demand has recorded a significant recovery from low levels, although elevated uncertainty about the economic outlook continues to weigh on consumer spending and business investment. Headline inflation is being dampened by low energy prices and weak price pressures in the context of subdued demand and significant labour market slack. Against this background, ample monetary stimulus remains necessary to support the economic recovery and to safeguard medium-term price stability. Therefore, we decided to reconfirm our accommodative monetary policy stance. We will keep the key ECB interest rates unchanged. We expect them to remain at their present or lower levels until we have seen the inflation outlook robustly converge to a level sufficiently close to but below 2% within our projection horizon, and such convergence has been consistently reflected in underlying inflation dynamics. We will continue our purchases under the Pandemic Emergency Purchase Programme, PEPP, with a total envelope of 1,350 billion euros. These purchases contribute to easing the overall monetary policy stance, thereby helping to offset the downward impact of the pandemic on the projected path of inflation. The purchases will continue to be conducted in a flexible manner over time, across asset classes and among jurisdictions. This allows us to effectively stave off the risk of the smooth transmission of monetary policy. We will conduct net asset purchases under the PEPP until at least the end of June 2021, and in any case, until the Governing Council judges that the coronavirus crisis phase is over.